Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today it's a pastry cake recipe, the absolutely delicious pista cake. Pista sponges layered with the delicious pista cream. It's a very delicious cake. So let us see how to make this soft and spongy pista cake. First, let us make the pista sponge. For that, we'll take the dry ingredients in a mixer grinder. 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons or 20 grams of pista, and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and we'll blend it together so that the pista is powdered and it blends well with the flour. So our dry ingredients are ready. Now let us separate 4 eggs. Take the egg whites into a clean and dry bowl and let us beat the egg whites first with a clean whisk. Add a pinch of salt to the egg white and whisk it. When it turns bubbly, we'll add the sugar. Here I have taken 120 grams of sugar. Out of that, we'll add about 75 grams of sugar into the egg white and beat it till it turns soft and fluffy and reaches this consistency. Now we'll keep this aside, and into the separated egg yolks I have added the remaining sugar and vanilla essence. Beat it well. Into this we'll add 3 tablespoons of milk and the pista essence. Here I am using Osoro pista milk flavor. You can use pista essence also. So we should add both vanilla essence and pista essence, and into this we'll add 50 grams of butter melted and beat it well. And then into this we'll add the dry ingredients. We should sift the ingredients and add it because it might be lumpy. Now mix it well into the egg mixture. Now if the flour is properly mixed into the egg yolk, now we'll take some of the beaten egg white and mix it into the flour and egg mixture. Slowly fold in. Now into this we'll add a drop of color. Here I have used a drop of yellow and a drop of blue to get a light green color. Mix it well. This is an optional step. If you don't need the color, you can just skip it. Just for the look of the cake, I have added the green color. Now we have got a mild green batter. Let us add this into the beaten egg whites and fold it in very gently. It's a beautiful light green color. We'll transfer this into a prepared 7-inch cake tin. We'll run a skewer through the batter to remove any air bubbles and tap the tin a few times and bake it at 160 to 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now let us beat the whipping cream. Here I have taken 300 ml of non-dairy whipping cream. It is Tropolite brand. We'll beat it till it turns soft and fluffy peaks are formed and keep it in the fridge. The cake is beautifully baked. The knife has come out clean. We'll remove it from the cake tin and allow it to cool down. Let us take 100 grams of white chocolate and 100 grams of fresh cream, melt it together in a double boiler or in a microwave to form the white chocolate ganache. Here I have taken about 3 tablespoons of chopped pista. Into this we'll add some of the white chocolate ganache, mix it and keep it aside. Now the cake is cooled down properly. We'll cut it into 3 layers. First make a mark and then cut it like this with a serrated knife, rotating the cake. The sponge is so beautifully baked, very soft and spongy. The layers are ready. Now let us fill the cake and frost it. Apply some cream on the turntable and place the first layer. Wet the cake layer with sugar syrup and then apply the cream. To make the sugar syrup, boil 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar in half a cup of water and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now we'll spread our pista mix on the cream. And just spread it well evenly. Place the second layer and follow the same procedure, wetting with the sugar syrup, applying the cream and then the pista mix. Place the third layer and apply the sugar syrup and the whipping cream, and we'll cover the cake with the cream. And it is better to keep the cake in the fridge after the first crumb coat so that it sets well and it will be easy to do the second coat of cream. After whipping the cream should be kept in the fridge. It should not be kept out, otherwise it will be difficult to spread it on the cake. If you find it difficult to spread the cream, just add 2 tablespoons of unbeaten cream into the whipped cream and mix it, just fold it in with the spatula and it will be good to go. So after keeping it in the fridge, now I am applying the second layer of cream. Thank you so much for all the support you are showing to my videos. If you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you receive notifications of my new videos. Would love to know what you feel about my videos and recipes. It would be a great motivation. So please leave your suggestions and feedback in the comment box. Finally, we can dip the spatula in hot water and smoothen the cream. Now we'll do some decorations on the top of the cake. I'm just making some small rosettes, white and a little green. Now let us cover the top with the white chocolate ganache which we had prepared earlier. For the green color, I have added a drop of yellow and a drop of blue gel color. Now our beautiful cake is ready. Let us cut and see the cake. The cake is really yummy with the pista flavor and the crunch of the pistas in between the layers. If you like pistas, you would really love it. Look at the slice of the cake. Isn't it beautiful? Hope you liked the video. Do try the recipe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. See you with a new video. Bye.